Go ahead and take that end down to a nice point and then turn it round. Rounding, it's easy. You have a square bar, you put it up on its corners, you take a corner down, turn it, take the corner down, and then all of a sudden you have 8 corners. And you do that again, you have 16, and it's round. Alright, I'm getting another heat, and I'm just going to put a scroll in one direction and then whip back down around the other direction. I'll be done. And the scrolling process is done over the edge of the anvil. Basically put the bar just past the edge of the anvil, hit it, knocks the tip over. And you control that process out and you get a nice, if you do it right, you get a nice pretty end on there. That's right. Little end. And what I'll do is the next heat, I'll get a good heat back here. And because this is thin, if I hit it, it'll want to bend. So I'll quench it, make it cold, freezing it, so I can hit it and bend the other direction. So we quench the end so that I don't mess it up. And with that cool, then I can turn around and go the other direction. And use my horn. Time's a bit hot.